Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah Ta'ala and your du'as and prayers. I am well. So as you can see from the title, we are first of all recapping on what we've done, which is moving averages, and adding a little bit extra to it, which is interpreting those moving averages. So hopefully it'll be something of a recall lesson and of course with the added addition of interpreting that information. So before we make a start, as always, the please like, share and subscribe to the channel, particularly the subscribe. That is rather disappointing, and the viewing figures have also started to decline. Okay, so please help in whatever way you can. We looked at moving averages, and today we're going to continue with that by looking at interpreting them. So hopefully you're going to do most of the work, and I will just give the answers. Okay, we'll be looking at working out missing table values given moving averages, and also going to use moving averages to make predictions. Okay, so we have a set of values. We got tickets sold over the various decades in these years, 1930s, 40s and the 1990s. So what you have to work out is the tickets sold in the 30s and in the 90s. Okay, so I give you 5 seconds to freeze the screen, and then I'm actually going to go through this one with you. Okay, so please freeze the screen and try to do it yourself if you can remember. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you are back with us, then I'll go through. Okay, so the first thing is that the moving average for the first 3 decades is 4. Okay, which is those 3. So they must add up to 12. Okay, so we have got a 6 and a 3 there, so the missing number must be 3. Okay, and similarly for the 1990s, the moving average for the last 3 decades is 29. Okay, so 29 times 3 is 87. So we can calculate the missing number then. Of 87, take away 42, which is 15, plus 27. So we take 42 away from 47, and the answer is 45. So these questions are quite easy, really. Okay, and we're going to write it on our table. So the next thing that you may be asked to do is to plot these values. Okay, and here we are going to move on. So these values have been plotted in the raw data, as it were, the 205 and the 210. We need to plot the average now. So those have been calculated for you. 214, 239. So this is by way of illustration. So I'm plotting the figures in red. Okay, joining them up. So what we need to do is to extend the line and estimate the next moving average. Okay, so we're just going to follow the trend, and that is the point that we're going to stop, because if we carried on the red line, that is where it would hit. Okay, and we need to estimate from that what it is. Okay, and my estimation is that that is 315. Okay, so it's an estimation, don't forget, but we can work out the the sales figure, because we have that average of 315. Okay, so 315 times 3 is 945, and 945 take away 608, which we get by adding the 2003 and the 2004 figures. It comes to 608, and the sales figure for 2005 therefore is 337. Okay. Okay, moving on. So I'm going to plot these figures for you. Okay, so once again I'm going to freeze the screen so that you can firstly extend the line and then work out the figure for January. Okay, so I'm going to pause for 5 seconds so that you get the chance to draw all of this. Please take care in your drawing. Okay, you know, these are the easiest marks on the GCSE paper. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm assuming that you've plotted those points, so all the information was given to you, the raw data and the 3-point moving. So your job now is to extend the line and to work out the missing figure for January. Okay. So we're just joining those figures. Should have done that before, I guess. Okay, so now we need to extend that line. Okay, and it just follows the previous one really. Okay, and my estimate is that it's 33. Okay, so if we read that, because it's a little bit higher than the previous one. Okay, so now that we've got that average of 33, we can calculate the figure for January. So don't forget, it's going to be 33 times 3, and then we're going to take that, well, we got 66, isn't it? Okay, 33 times 3 is 99, 99 take away 66 is 33. It's as simple as that. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so that's the end of the session. So I do hope you're going to be more confident with moving averages. So we've done more work on time series graphs, including averages. Okay, and we've learned excuse me, how to calculate missing table values given some averages. Okay, and we've also learned about predicting. Okay, so I do hope you're able to remember this, and if you do get exam questions on it, it will not be a problem. So that is the end of the session, and I thank you very, 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 very much for watching. Please keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends, tell all your colleagues, anybody that you think will benefit from my channel. So until the next time, I say look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.